Hello and welcome again. I hope you are doing very well today. In this video, we are going to talk about how to access our LMS login portal. In order to go to our LMS login portal, you can click on the LMS login button on our website www.rkstech.in. This will redirect you to our LMS login portal. You can also directly type the URL of our LMS login portal. It's learn.rkstech.in. Here you can log in using your registered phone number or your email ID. You will receive an OTP on your phone number or email ID, whichever you choose, and using that OTP you can log in into the system. Please note that you will receive OTP from this email ID: RKS Tech Academy alert.tagmango.in. So please ensure that it does not goes into junk. Whitelist tagmango.in URL so that this email does not goes into junk. So Tagmango is the platform on which this LMS portal is built. So please ensure you have whitelisted tagmango.in so that your email does not goes into junk. Similarly, if you have opted to receive OTP on mobile number, you will receive OTP from tmango. Tmango is the name from which you will receive the OTP, and using your OTP you can log in into the system. So please ensure the messages which is coming from tagmango either on mobile or on your email is whitelisted and is not blocked. Once you are logged in into the LMS portal, this is the screen which you will see. There are multiple options on the top menu. There is a notification icon here. Whenever something new happens, you will get a notification here. And this is also an option. And this option has some additional feature, but you can ignore it for now. Let's go into this option one by one. The first thing is this feed window, and this is the landing page. When you log in into the LMS portal, you will get landed on the feed window, and this feed window has the community network. So you will keep receiving the feeds or the posts which people in the community will be posting. So this is a private community network where only those people who are part of this group will keep posting their content. Generally, I do some posting once or twice in a week, and some of the community member can also post once in a while. This is very similar to what you see on LinkedIn or other social media, but one of the key difference is that this is very limited and the content will be only specific to the relative topic. So for example, in this case, if somebody has subscribed to IoT Foundation, the content will be only for the posts which has been posted for IoT Foundation module. In LinkedIn, LinkedIn is wonderful, but LinkedIn is also overcrowded. Every hour you get number of posts. So most of the time you are not able to read. Here you get limited posts and only relevant posts. And then your upcoming schedule is shown here. Thursday, we have some session on IoT component and architecture. 3rd of March, we have a session on IoT sensor actuators. Right? And then you also have your one-to-one meeting options here. So you see here, you have 3 out of 3 available slots for one-on-one consultation. So you can book your one-on-one consultation from here if you want to have a one-on-one discussion with me. So I hope this is clear. Let's now go to the workshop window. In the workshop window, you will have schedule for all the upcoming workshops. So this is the schedule here for the workshop. So here we can see only 2. This is a test user actually. But when you log in with your account, you will see all the upcoming schedule for you, only for your course in which you are subscribed, not for all the courses. You will see the schedule for all the upcoming workshops or or live sessions, and from here you can plan your schedules accordingly. The next option is courses, where you see all your course to which you are subscribed, either free course or enrolled course. So in this case, this particular user is subscribed only to IoT Foundation course. So his foundation course is appearing here, and he can do all the learnings from here. All the pre-recorded content will be available here. IoT Masterclass is the free course, and the content in IoT Masterclass will be available here. And this inner connect is the regular connect which we have with our community members. So whenever we have our connect, the recordings for that meeting will be available here. So all the live sessions which you have with your mentor, they will be recorded and they will be uploaded in the respective course material. For example, if you go to this IoT Foundation course, here you can see all the course content. So you can start going through the course content from here. So all your lectures you will find here, and all the downloadable material like the content which is being displayed here, that the deck that will be available here, which you can download and you can read also. So this was about the course, and if you have IoT Advanced course also, then that will also appear here. But in this case, in this user, he is not subscribed to IoT Advanced, so that will not appear for this user. And then you have messages where you can post messages to either to a particular member or to the entire community also. So if I post any message here, this will go to the entire community. All right. And if you want to send it to a particular user, then you can go to inbox here. You can search for the user and then you can post a message here. You can also send a direct message to me. I will be your mentor. So you can send a direct message to me from here. And this is a good way of contacting me in case you need my help anywhere. So this is how it is. So you have feed, which is your private network where you will have all your posts and all your upcoming schedules will be displayed here. Your slots available for one-on-one consultation will also be displayed here. For example, if somebody wants to have a one-on-one consultation with me, he can go and book over here. So the available days will be here, 17th, for example. These are the available slots. You can book one of the slots. So I'm booking just 10:30 till 11 p.m. Book now, and this slot will be booked. All right. So you have your community network here. You have all your workshop schedule here. You have all your courses here, and you have way to communicate to the community or to a particular person from here. So these are the things which are available to you in this LMS, and you get all the notifications over here. So Rajesh has added some new content. So this notification has come, and here you can go and update your profile picture and all. So this will be your LMS. I hope this is clear. In case you have any questions, you can always drop us an email info@rkstech.in.